Hello YouTube fam, my name is Mon and today I'm sharing my kitchen organization hacks and ideas. Having an organized kitchen makes all the difference, so stay with me as we go through some of the best kitchen organization and storage hacks. Before we start, make sure to subscribe to the channel and click the like button. Now let's head on to my kitchen. First things first, I don't have upper kitchen cabinets, so an easy solution was this IKEA wall rack. This wall rack holds a huge part of my cooking utensils and makes a great use of vertical storage. And here's how I organize it. I even hang my pans on it, since when it comes to using your kitchen smart, it's essential to use as much vertical storage as you can. Before I got this wall rack, all of these utensils were cluttering my kitchen drawers, and I couldn't seem to find anything. Plus, they look way more stylish this way. The next essential when it comes to having an organized kitchen is using food containers. I found these tin containers on Amazon and filled them with dry foods from my pantry. They look super cute on my shelves, plus they are way more practical this way. I like to keep my sink area clean, so I installed this integrated dish soap dispenser. I got it from IKEA. I also got this suction sponge holder from Amazon to keep my sponge out of sight. And my absolute favorite suction dish brush, also from IKEA. And of course, we all need a drying dish rack. And this one looks so cool, it's super practical and just completes the space. And some more suction hooks, this time for the towel. Suction hooks are super affordable, and the best part is they are renter friendly. And with this, we are finishing the sink space. Right beside the sink, there is this integrated storage cabinet from IKEA where I keep my condiments. And here is how I organized it. Now let's give those oils and vinegars a nicer look. A simple upgrade is to just swap their bottles. they look way better this way. I filled the rest of the space with some wine bottles. I also got these label makers from Amazon. I really like to keep my countertops clean, so I'm using as much vertical space as possible, while making sure things look nice and cohesive. There are some things I need on the countertop. However, I desperately needed to hide this outlet, so I decided to style my cutting boards in front of it. And it really turned out amazing. Hooks are a super easy solution to hang anything in your kitchen. I use them all the time. A great kitchen organization tip is to always find purpose for weird spaces. That's how I dedicated this spot to my trash bin. It makes the most out of the space while keeping my bin out of sight. These flatware trays from IKEA are a must for organizing your flatware drawer. I found that organizing is way better when you have drawers. I'm lucky to have super large drawers that keep all of my glasses, mugs, and cups in perfect order. Also, if you have a drawer, try arranging your pots and pans there. They are way more organized in a drawer instead of a cabinet. Now let's head on to the far left of the kitchen. I found these glass jars, so I'm adding baking supplies there. I'm labeling them to make them super cute and more practical. On the bottom shelf, I arranged my trays. They turned out great. The truth is, I don't really have a big pantry, so I keep most of my pantry goods here. However, they always tend to get messy and I never seem to find anything. So here is how I organized it. As a first step, I got everything out. I used this file folder for storing my pasta, and it turned out to be a great solution. And now to the spice drawer. Here I use these plastic trays I got on Amazon. I found these cute jars too, and I decided to use them for my spices. I labeled them and they are ready for arranging. I love having my dishes in a drawer too. They are so easy to organize this way. Now the last drawer definitely needs some love. These containers from IKEA are great for storing teas and coffee capsules. And they are super affordable. I also organized and labeled these tin containers. Just wait to see how cute they turned out. I also put my toaster here to, of course, get it out of the countertop, and I have an easy access to it here. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like my kitchen organization ideas and my kitchen overall. If you did, make sure to let me know in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that like button, since it really helps our small channel a lot. Till next time, designers!